Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Stuff About Tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to talk about duplicate layer on Wix.com. Guys, this is my header and I've worked over here, and as you can see this layer, I want this type of layer twice in my website. So what I will do, I will click on this layer and then I will go to the tools. Here you have to mark up toolbar. Once you mark the toolbar, then click anywhere. First of all, you have to select the section, and then you will see in this toolbar the duplicate option. You have to click on it. Once you will click, then the duplicate layer will be created. As you can see guys, if I scroll down, this is the layer that I've created, duplicate layer. So you can add some different images in both layers and you can work with. So this is how to create duplicate section on Wix.com. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much. Good luck.